What is 3R? The 3R stands for Reduce, Reuse, and Recycle, which are key principles aimed at promoting sustainability, minimizing waste, and conserving the environment by encouraging responsible use of resources and proper waste management.
What is reduce? Reduce means minimize the amount of waste we create, which is making less waste to begin with means there's less waste to clean up. So how do we reduce the amount of waste we produce? First thing first, only buy what you need and choose the product with less packaging. Buy in bulk, look for the items that you can reuse, pack your lunch in a lunchbox, and then last but not least, bring reusable bags to the grocery store.
Reuse. Reuse is the practice of using the items more than once in their original form, reducing waste and conserving resources by extending the lifespan of products or materials. There are 3 ways to reuse. The first one is donate items that are still in a good and usable condition. Second, carry a reusable shopping bag. Third, convert old clothing into cleaning bags. Next, advantages of reuse. Reduces disposal needs and costs, provide cost saving for consumers, and lastly, conserve energy and raw materials.
Recycle is to sort and collect rubbish in order to treat it and produce useful materials that can be used again. Ways to recycle are throwing recyclable items like paper, aluminum can, and plastic water bottle into recycle bin, buy and use recycled materials, and repurpose things like jars into vases. Advantages of recycle are we can save our natural resources and wildlife as recycle helps to preserve trees, reduce landfill waste, and using recycled materials instead of virgin resources minimize environmental harm.